Hello everyone. My name is Emily Bartle and this is my portfolio video. I was born and raised in Monticello, Minnesota, which is 40 minutes west of the cities. I graduated from Monticello High School in 2015 with around 250 other students. This is a picture of my family. On the left is a picture of my brother, Mitchell, and he recently graduated with a degree in criminal justice. He has taught me about hard work and perseverance throughout my life. On the right is a picture of my brother, Steve, who has taught me about the value of opportunity no matter the situation you are going through in your life. He has always had a positive outlook on life, no matter what obstacles his condition of cerebral palsy has brought on him. Because of Steve, I have a love for special education that I can't wait to pursue in my future education. These are my parents, Val and Tony, and not only have they been a major support system throughout my life, but they also have taught me major life lessons that will be helpful in my future career as a teacher. For example, my mom, Valerie, has had a daycare ever since I was born, and watching her impact she has on the children has led me to a career in education. My past has led me to the choice that I am currently pursuing right now at Bethany Lutheran College. This is where I am currently working on my bachelor's degree in elementary education with an endorsement in early education. While at Bethany, I've gotten to further my career in soccer, and soccer has taught me about hard work, leadership, and friendship. I'm very happy for the opportunities that soccer has given me here at Bethany Lutheran College. Lastly, the most important thing about Bethany Lutheran College, my education. At Bethany Lutheran, I have had the opportunity to learn how to be an effective teacher, to be able to get students to reach their highest potential. They have given me the tools and strategies to be able to succeed in a real-life teaching situation. For example, I've been able to put those tools and strategies to the test in a clinical setting and soon a student teaching position. I can't wait to see what the future has in store for me in the field of education.